J. Matthew Cherian. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. I have unmuted.
Please.
And
Go ahead,
yeah,
sir.
thank you for giving this opportunity. I was thinking that I'll be missing it out. My problem is that, I'm 51 years old now, but, things have never worked favorable for me in my career. Rest other things are fine. Health is fine and all that is good. But in my career, I've been working hard, but I've not been getting the results. Now, many times I've lost my job. As we speak, also, I've lost my job, and I'm just trying to figure out what's the way forward. So, what is your advice? Or
Lost your job means somebody asked you to leave the job. Huh?
Yes. Every time it's been like they've asked me to leave. So,
I know your question now.
My question is why is this happening? That is one.
Why doesn't matter, sir? Tell me. Let's look into the future.
Technically, what is the future? What is the future? Like, how long will this continue till I find some relief from this?
Give me a horary number, sir, between 1 and 2.
Beg your pardon?
1 and 249. Give me a random number, please.
Any number.
Any random number, not your favorite.
72.
All right. Any planet in the 5th bhava? No planet in the 5th bhava. Any planet in the 9th bhava? Rahu is deposited in 9th bhava. But no planet of Ketu is Rahu. Fair enough. All right. 6th house starts in Sagittarius is 1309. Sub-Lord is Mercury in the star of Moon deposited in the 11th house, owning the Lagna Bhava. Mercury is the sub of Saturn, the 8th Bhava. Fair enough. Some struggle will be there, sir, but 100% next job will be super successful for you, sir. Good luck. Be blessed.
By when will it be, or how long the struggle will be there?
Hold on, sir. Mars.
Do you want my birth details or anything?
No, sir. Horary is always more accurate then, but okay, let's go with the horary. Mars in Mercury. Mercury is the 11th. So during Mars, the side will happen. Right now, what is coming is Rahu in the star of Ketu 3-9. Okay, not the best of the time now. Let's leave Rahu out. Jupiter in the star of Ketu. Jupiter is in the 10th bhava, owning the 6th bhava. The star of Ketu in the 3rd bhava. Sir, when Mars, Dasa, Jupiter Bhukti, things will 100% guaranteed improve for you, sir. Okay.
Any date?
That starts on the 29th of August. Sorry, 29th of August 2023 onwards, things will improve for you, particularly from Mars, Sun, Saturn. Mars, Sun, Saturn. So January 15th onwards, guaranteed things will improve for you, sir. 100% you can hold me accountable for this, okay? Good luck, sir. Be blessed. All the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, all of you, for joining this prediction session. I'll see you next week. Till then, if you're interested in learning astrology, visit learnastrologyonline.in. I'll see you inside the course. Good luck. Be blessed.